everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video we are going to discuss about the concept number 4 in time and work. Okay, if you are new to my channel, I would recommend you to watch other 4 videos which I have posted before prior to this video. Okay, so that it will be very much clear what I'm trying to explain to you. Okay, so without any further ado, let us get into the session. Okay, if you have a question like this, so if M1 person can do W1 work in D1 days, and M2 man or M2 person can do W2 work in D2 days. Okay, so if you have the values for M1, W1, D1, M2 and W2, but the D2 value is not there, then how will you find? You can directly use this formula to find. Okay, but just notice the formula: M1 D1 W2 is equal to M2 D2 W1. Can you see this W is aligned with the opposite side, like M1 D1 means W2, M2 D2 means W1. Okay, so now let us go and look why and how this formula arrives. Okay, so just see here, I'll take you to the whiteboard first. Okay, yes, so on this whiteboard, now see here, if you have if you know the chocolates rate of 10 chocolates rate is 500. Okay, so how you will find the rate of one chocolate? It is easy, right? One chocolate is equal to 500 divided by 10. So the rate of one chocolate is 50 rupees. Okay, so it is Indian rupees, so I'm just writing it as a 15 rupees. Okay, so this way we are finding the rate of one chocolate. Similarly, see here, if they have given the number of men who are working and the number of days they are working and the number of times or hours, okay, time or hours it may be, hours of working, okay, if they have given this one, this is similar to 500 rupees, okay, which means the number of men working, the number of days they are working and the number of time in a day, in how much number of time they are working. So this is related to 500 rupees, the whole bunch amount. Okay, it is divided by the work done, which work has to be done with this men. Okay, so how many days or how many things will take. Okay, so see here, this number of men D, okay, number of days, in how many days they are working, how many hours in a day they are working, which is divided by W. Okay, so which is divided by W is equal to a constant. Okay, so if you have some other men, M2 men, D2, T2 and divided by W2. Okay, so let us keep this is W1. Okay, so this will be equal. Okay, this both will be equal. Okay, so that's why I have just written as it is equal to a constant. Okay, so just compare it with the chocolate, number of chocolate, and how we will find the one chocolate, right? Okay, similar to this MDT is similar to the 500 and the W is this 10. Okay, the whole 10 chocolate, this whole bunch of amount. Okay, so with this you are able to find the one chocolate's amount. With this you are able to find the, if it is on the right hand side, if you have some other parameters like M2, D2, T2 and W2, you can find any other variable which is missing. Okay, so this is how it works. So MDT divided by W is equal to constant, or you can write M1 D1 T1 divided by W1. Okay, so if you take it to this numerator, you will be having this as M1 D1 T1 and W1. Okay, sorry, this is W, just W. Okay, this is just W. Okay, yes, so this is how this formula arrives. Okay, and if you see here, you can also add efficiency. I have just discussed what is meant by efficiency in the last video. Okay, so in hours, W mean you can just have a time or hours. Okay, that is H1. Okay, so just see here, this work, amount of work will be in the opposite side. Okay, so it is W1 and this is W2. Okay, so if you have a question like this, you can very well use the formula this directly, and right now I guess you will not have any confusion why this W2 is this side and why this W1 is this side. Okay, and also you can very well able to solve it without any doubts. Okay, so that's all for this particular video. We'll meet you in the next video with a more interesting topic. Okay, this concept number 4 is very easier one. Okay, this concept number 4 is very easier one. I want to have a little break. Okay, so that concept number 5 is little more difficult than other concepts. So You learn the concept number 4 so that you will gain the confidence. Okay, once you solve problems related to this. Okay, so if you gain confidence in this kind, we can very well go to the concept number 5, which is more difficult than other concepts. Okay, so I will recommend you to learn concept number 1, 2, 3, 4 very well. Get well versed with the formulas and get ready for the concept number 5 in the next video. Okay, okay, that's all for this particular video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.